AnnoorLabs Engineering Service Private Limited. This is Savita as a senior engineering. Today's topic is about density of cement. Our junior engineer Sivaramakrishna will continue.
Hi everyone, this is Sivaramakrishna Prasad as a junior engineer. Today I am going to discuss about density of cement. This is Le-Chatelier Flask and this is kerosene with a density of 0.738. And this is analytic weighing balance with capacity of 220 grams and its least count is 0.002 grams. Need to maintain room temperature at 27 plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade for this test. Now pour the kerosene into Le-Chatelier flask at 0 to 1 ml. After that it is at 0.9 ml. The reading is. Now immerse the Le-Chatelier flask into water bath for some time. Now take the weight of 64 grams per Portland cement. After that, remove the Le-Chatelier flask in water bath. Note the initial volume reading as V1. Now gently add the cement with kerosene in Le-Chatelier flask. Add the total quantity into it without any falling on surroundings. Now spin it 360 degrees horizontally for some time. Now again place it in water bath for that some time. After that remove it from water bath. Take the final volume reading as V2.
For more updates to such educational and technical videos, please do subscribe to AnnoorLabs and Engineering Service Private Limited.